Hi everyone, nice to meet you. I'm Pooja Mittal. I'm a family doctor by background. I'm the Vice President, Chief Health Equity Officer at HealthNet. HealthNet is a Medicaid payer. We're part of the Centene company and we're based in California. We have Medicaid, Medicare, and commercial business. So I've been at ViVE for the last 5 years. So I was at the inaugural one, I think it was in Miami. And what keeps me coming back is I'm actually part of the Tequity work group for the Health Foundation. And so that and being able to interact with all of our awardees every year is really what keeps me coming back. Having that excitement and getting to meet people in person and really meeting together and connecting around Tequity is really what brings me back. ViVE has gotten so much bigger than the first time that I was there. It seems a lot busier for sure. The show floor is much bigger. There's many more people I think that come to ViVE now, whereas before it felt like there were more people at Health. Now ViVE tends to be quite large. And I think that we keep on being able to see the refinement of what you're offering in terms of keeping current with what's going on in the healthcare space here. When I started coming the first couple of years, I had an opportunity to really walk the show floor and meet people who we ended up having really deep, long-standing partnerships with. And so being able to meet people, sort of talk about what you might do together and then riff on those ideas and then have follow-up. But that in-person meeting in the first time, it really makes a huge difference in terms of like really starting to build a partnership early on. So the audience at ViVE, I think, is a little bit different than other healthcare audiences or healthcare conferences because you have delivery systems, you have providers, you have academics, as well as a lot of the technology folks that are sort of new and coming into the industry. And so that interplay, we don't really get to see at other conferences. I find that the social stuff is sometimes harder to build new relationships in, but certainly helps to deepen existing relationships. And so being able to meet in a social setting with our existing partners and being able to spend that time really does shift the conversations that we're able to have. I was on the Sunset stage listening to this great conversation, and it really struck me. The one thing that I think I will take home from ViVE is this idea that we have so much of this new technology, but we really have to think about equity as we're applying it to our systems. And you know, this is a place where not everybody gets to come, and so bringing that technology back to our communities is going to be really important. ViVE is such a dynamic space. It's such a fun place to be able to see what's possible and see what's out there and get to connect with people who are really leading in all of these sectors. So you should do it.